aura repair with the language of life, by the light of the universe, and Reverend Eva Marquez. Selon Kiahao Sionte. Take a deep breath in and release all the air out. Take another deep breath in and let go of all your worries and all your expectations. And one more deep breath in and let go all the air out. Imagine that you enter a beautiful healing room that is full of the golden light. It's like you open the door and you walk into this magnificent sunny room that you feel comfortable and safe in. A sun-like energy shines and rises from the four corners of this room, and you can literally see this energy raising up and connecting about you into the ceiling or in the roof, the dome of this building. Kelontiasa, elontium, kientelaso. In the light of the universe will walk forward and welcome you in this healing place. And as you are surrounded by this magnificent healing golden energy, you are guided into the center of the room, where you can sit down or lie down and make yourself comfortable. The long kiasa. Lights of the universe, alongside with your guides, will assist you in a repair of your auras and sealing all holes and the energies that allow the leaking energy out of your body. Telon kiao sium tiela. Telon sierra. Asium tiachan teleaso. And in the beginning, we will focus and join our souls together. Think of your heart chakra, of your golden light in your soul. And while you're thinking about your golden light, this golden light in the chest will grow bigger and brighter, and bigger and brighter. And become one with this light. Become one with the essence of your soul. Telansium kieha, eliansium tier kiaso. And now we will cancel all soul contracts with the dark side, with the negative energy that you may have been tracked into long time ago. Now state out loud or state in your mind, I, and say your current name, are canceling all this soul contract with the negative energies. I, from this lifetime and all my lifetimes back, canceling negative soul contract with the dark side that I have agreed to, that I have been pushed to, that I have been tricked into. I am taking my soul energy back. I take my vow to walk on the side of light and be a part of the light team on earth. I no longer allow any control of me and my energy from negative side. I close my energy and allow only light and love connecting with me. I am taking my soul energy back. I am taking my soul energy back. I am taking my soul energy back. And now just relax. Feel all that beautiful golden light of your soul increasing in magnitude of the color and the power and spreading all through your being, through your body. And the magnitude of this light, feel your current lifetime and travel through all your lifetimes back until your soul creation. Delante accountion la sieta. Ne accounti l'ansium di esse la quinta. And now as you relax, the lights of the universe will work on the layers of the soul energy encoded in your auras to repair. Anche a son glasi l'antica. The l'ansia. Repairing of the auras will prevent you from invasive forces of negative energies. It will make you stronger and it will make you invisible to the other negative energies. Dion Sapa. It will make your energy solid in rainbow colors, in basic 7 layers of the energies that are tied to the human body, to your earth vehicle that you occupy right now. We assist the first level, the accountium telase. A child and baby was born to this world. The lang kia house yote. A little seed of light came from the universe and embodied itself in mother's body. Kiom tiasa dio ala tienta asium tiasa. Kiom teleasion tiasa. Kiaham tuyom sia tiakam telausium elausionte. And let a light grow into a baby, a beautiful, magnificent baby. And the baby was born with the first breath. The soul embodied itself into the physical body, into the physical cell. in your current life, the inconsciente, a soul that is associated with the green heart chakra, your green color, embody itself in this beautiful body. And then the ribbon of blue color runs as the rivers and oceans through your body, through your nervous system, through your sensories, through your receiving sensory systems. Those are your communicators. Those are your special abilities running through your whole being, your body, from the toes up to the hair, and from the hair up down to the toes. Count l'ansion tiesa. Count l'ansion tiesa. And then the orange layer, with the creativity and wonder that one can see through child eyes, the innocence and purity of the energies, the wonder, that you can have for the whole life of your existence. The wonder that helps you discover new things and inventions and secrets and all ancient knowledge. And yellow, your confidence and self-esteem, and ego that goes with the earth life. And ego gives you the confidence to conquer the dark parts of your life and push you forward. And ego can grow as a big horse that you need to learn to tame, that serves you in the most positive way. A well taken care of and raised horse can make your life quite easier than the wild bronco that kicks and runs its own way. And your green, your love, your ability to give and receive. While giving, you achieve much more than taking. Feel the love of the whole world. Feel the love of the universe, your soul family, the beings connecting with you. You are love, you are peace, you are joy. And the light blue, your voice, your expression, and dark blue, your thinking, and your receiving and giving informations whenever you see them or not see them with your physical eye. Your nervous system that runs through your whole being, through your body, the water that you are composed of, the energy that runs like water through your body, along Kielsa, your very own communication system, your very own personal antennas, along Tionta, your very own radio that you can learn to tune. Gentiese and violet, the wine color of the future and the past, of the guidance and presence of all of us who are assisting you on this wonderful journey toward the new earth, toward a better world, toward a better place. Yang Kan Tionte Liang Xiong Kia Liao Xiong Dia Sa De Lo Kan Xia De Lo. Now we activate the crystals beside of you in this beautiful healing room. And activate a golden glow and seal the layers of your aura's energy, this beautiful protective seal. Elan Kian Xiong Ta, Elan Xiong Dia. Keep refilling your energy with these beautiful rainbow colors. You can refill all of them at one time or just one at a time as you need. That you are the rainbow of the energy. You are the colors of your rainbow. Kalan Tiaha. The universe reflects in you, and your actions reflects in the universe. Kian Dala Xiong Tiasa. Davon Tiasang Kala Esiun Tan Tiasa. And when you feel ready, just feel back your body, your physical body, yourself, and come back. Telon siente. Come back in your body and know, feel, notice your wonderful energy, how much it increases and strengthens. Dion Siaka. Telon sienta asa. And we thank you for embracing your original soul energy and claiming him back and being you, a million years old you. Dion Siete. Love and light from my heart to yours. Thank you.